Hey everyone, this is Joe with Montag Manufacturing. Today I wanted to go over some of our support page that could help you in the field this season. So, a website here, we've got our support page right here in the corner. Click on that. You've got our phone number if you ever need to get a hold of us. These links on the very top are to our app. This is our Montag Toolbox app. It helps you troubleshoot and especially put in the numbers correctly into those rate controllers, or if you already have a Montag and you're in the field, to be able to calculate what rate and if it's running the right speed for your auger RPM. Super handy, use it all the time. Jumping back to our support page here, we've got all the breakdowns for our parts manuals. This is going to help you be able to find those parts if you're broken down, to be able to have the right numbers and get an answer faster. And then jumping over, we've also got hydraulics and hose routing and everything. I tend to live in the controller side of things here, which is where you're going to find the manuals, the breakdowns of that. I really like having these harness pinouts for troubleshooting in the field, to be able to troubleshoot those and help those guys out with what those look like. I'll show you real quick here. We've got them broken down to where you know which pins go where, just to be able to troubleshoot it easier. Also on our website, we've got our third-party rate controllers here. This is specifically used for some of our other rate controllers that are used, not Montags. We have that up as well, but this is going to be for like your Raven RCMs, your RC2000s, your John Deere Dries. So I'll just jump over into this one really quick. This is the RC2000, or Raven RCM would be very similar. And basically it breaks it down for you really easy, really fast, and it tells you all the numbers that you're going to need to know to be able to make sure that machine is set up correctly. So again, all these links are going to be posted down below, so check them out, and if you have any questions, give us a call.